The example I'm bringing is an example of an online travel agency which has a platform to help customers create their own holiday packages from the flights, from all sorts of transportation and the hotel. This goes from starting with a holiday package to transforming into a whole partnership experience during your holiday. The objective is to get from the cloud mostly a cost-effective infrastructure, but also manage their globalization of the business. They are a seasonal business. For example, during Boxing Day and New Year's Day, their demand doubles. So they want to use the cloud, they want to use the elasticity of the cloud so that they can scale up and scale down their infrastructure during those periods, addressing their customers' needs while being cost-effective. On the long run, they also want to address their globalization. They're currently expanding across the continent, and they want to reach out to all the customers from the companies that they are acquiring. Their data centers have an issue, which is the latency issue to reach those customers. So the experience is not the best possible. What they want is to take advantage of the global network that AWS offers in order to be able to reach those customers with low latency, thus giving them good experience. So this customer has most of their infrastructure on-prem. So once customers move to the cloud, customers can then take advantage of the amount of data that they can collect from multiple parts of the business and from multiple systems. When this online travel agency reached out to us, we helped them create the business case and then the plan for their journey to enable them to go to the cloud. We included in this conversation our partners, we included all of the specialized teams within AWS, from financial to architecture. With that plan, this business was able to gradually start moving to the cloud. They started moving their containers into AWS, and once they were on AWS, they could then take advantage of managed services like Amazon EKS or Amazon ECS. And from there, they then started experimenting with other modern technologies like serverless, so moving their container workloads into Lambda. Right after the migration, they saw a drop in the latency and they saw an increase in terms of customer satisfaction with these new functionalities and these new products that were provided to them. So in summary, what we see organizations being able to offer their customers once they move to AWS is, number one, a single view of the customer to be able to address information from all these sources. Number two, a seamless experience for their customers by having all of these services integrated. And finally, the globalization offered by AWS, allowing customers to have low latency experiences wherever they are during their holidays. It's really important to realize that every business is different. We have migrations that take just a few weeks and others that take many years. We are here to help on all of those stages of the process. We do suggest that each business tries to get value of each step in order to realize those gains in terms of investment and being able to constantly innovate and constantly reinvent new innovations that provide better benefits for their customers.